What's good? Today's the day me and Uncle Bobby B do the Effie. Need to change torque converter seal, which means we need to drop the starter motor, drop the uni joints in the drive shaft, move the brackets on the cross members, take the bell housing bolts out, screw with some modulation, get down dirty and yeah, let's see how we go. Big fucking job. Alright, we are under the car. We are leaking tranny fluid from the bell housing inside the torque converter. As you can see, there's plenty of oil.
Rust preservative.
Rust preventative
That's
measures going on here with oil-soaked car. So we need to bring this cross member here. This one, sorry. Yeah, it's holding the C6 up. And that's the plan for today. So what are you doing there?
To make sure it's free.
Is that a breather, is it? Or is
That's the one for the modulator for the vacuum.
Okay.
To help it change gears, which we will
Redo.
adjust in a minute.
Ah.
So that's all done.
Once again, it is a 351 block, stroke 393 with the C6 and A engine, sniper system, fuel injected, what was it, electronic tuning and all that stuff, electronic dizzy. So now we're trying to push the converter back so it does not get stuck in the crank. Oh, look at this dodgy job here. Just holding the hose away. Is that a shorter one?
Yeah. Boat too long.
Yeah, there's a hole. You feel it moving?
Yep. Pop back a bit. So as we go to pull the box out, we'll make sure it pushes it back a bit further.
Okay.
Okay.
What happened? Just the mount for the C6 to sit on. Nice long bolt. Taking the bracket off. Mount support with some 3/4 bolts and nuts. So now we're jacking up the box a little bit, take the pressure with our block of wood. Taking up the speedo cable, which looks like it's been interfering with my kickdown a little bit, as the speedo has been working for a good couple of years now. There's the bolt. Just took that bracket off as well for the gear change. I need to take the split pin out of here, like so. Trusty pair of pliers. And now we I need to take the kick down off up the top. Kick down. Should be easy, we say.
Nothing's easy on this truck, you know that.
No, it's fucking never easy. And this is like a C-clip in there or something.
Just don't do that. Put that little one.
Nope.
Allen key.
Is it Allen key? Is it
Yeah.
21, is it?
Yep.
Back. A few little things that when I was taking off I didn't get to show. That was the little grub screws that we used holding in the kick down. So we used tiny Allen keys to get that.
Did you have a...
This is for the housing bolts.
Yeah.
You makeshift that long extension, you get it however means possible. Or not. Or not. So the housing bolts come off now. Every inch matters, boys. Add those extensions. 2 extensions onto the 2 extensions. And we are good. 4 extensions in the socket. It's a sniper rifle.
Oh yeah.
That's all to get onto the bell housing bolts.
That's what we wanted, buddy.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. It turns out there's plenty of oil still in there.
Yeah.
We just pop the dipstick out.
Under the bolt on the bell head.
Oh yeah,
Just pop it up in there.
that one down there. Messy business. Always missing the bucket. Starter motor bolts. Did that come?
Yep. Yeah.
I think we need to get bell housing bolts
Yep.
with spanners. This socket doesn't seem like it's gonna get up there. You got it? Beauty. Trusty bowl, guys. Always have one handy.
Oh yeah.
So now we just got bell housing bolts out. Had to do it by hand as the socket wouldn't reach behind here. It would reach, but couldn't get there because I'm this far away. Yeah. But bolts are out. Now push converter back. We'll be on to the next section. So that didn't work out. So now we need to unbolt the radius arms and hopefully drop the other support down so we can get the gearbox out. Nothing ever goes to plan, but you make a new plan and roll with that plan until that plan fails and then make a new plan. Stan. Doesn't help when you don't have a hoist. A hoist would be lovely at this point.
Not that well balanced on this, I'll be honest. You have to be a bit careful.
We just took out the cross member. 2 of them now. So now we should be able to drop it out and down, pull it back, and get at this gearbox. So,
Jack up the back of the car.
oh fuck.
Yeah.
This is what I was saying before.
You jack up the back of it, up, you should be able to pull it out from the side. Either that or, this is what I was saying before.
Stupid wood block.
Stupid wood block. Should have left the fucking. Fuck.
Funny shit. Alright, more issues. We need to go get another jack. Let's go. We did it. Trinity's out. Bobby Bear, brother,
Yep. And the
this
man.
guy, we did it. Jack was MVP, and
And the wood block.
the wood blocks. So now we can keep going. Oh yeah, good job guys. Team effort. So now, converter slides on out.
Yeah.
You want something else put down, or?
Yeah. It's going to be a little bit of water, that's all.
Good to go.
What do you get?
Torque converter comes out. And that's all it is.
What are these? That thing there.
That seal. You know what? The problem is it doesn't look that bad. So it's been a big day. From what I gather, the torque converter seal in the gearbox looked really good. Looked clean, looked brand new, because I did get a new one a couple of years ago, but I've barely driven the truck. So, it's something else. What that something else is, I don't know. I'm assuming it might be the actual, actual diaphragm thing within the actual gearbox that's bolted all in. Maybe there's a seal there that's, well, I can't see a seal on it, but maybe there's a seal there. But it's all part of the fun, games, and figuring out what to do next. Nothing ever goes right. Thanks everyone for the help, and comment, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Tell me an easier way to do stuff. I don't know, help me where you can. Yeah. The FE project, it's a project again. Thought it was done like 6 years ago, but it's not the case. That's Chuggers, your boy, signing out. Have a good one.